Hello kiddos and welcome to Miss Kellyn's Kitchen. Today we're going to make some really fun and healthy fruit and vegetable bugs. We've got a lot of great ingredients today. Let's look at this first tray. We've got some rolled up sandwich meat. This is turkey. We also have some sesame sticks, along with some veggie straws and even some pretzels. Here we have a healthy variety of fruits and vegetables. We have celery, cucumbers, tomatoes, strawberries, red grapes, and green grapes. Today we're using 3 different kinds of spreads to help build our bugs. The first is cream cheese, the next is sun butter or peanut butter or any nut butter you like, and this is yogurt. And finally, we're gonna top our little bugs with these cute candy eyeballs. We're gonna start out by taking a piece of celery. This is gonna be the base for our bug. And we're gonna pick one of our 3 spreads to spread across it. You can see here that we have sun butter and cream cheese. Now I'm gonna take some yogurt with my spoon and I'm gonna very carefully spread it into my celery. You can see that we've taken some of our fruits and vegetables and started to assemble our bugs. This one is going to be a caterpillar. It has green grapes and yogurt. This one right here, she's gonna be a butterfly. We've got a red grape and some slices of strawberry for her wings. This one over here looks like a snail. We've got some cucumber and a little bit of a cherry tomato. Now watch, we're gonna make one over here. This one is going to be a fly, shoe fly. We're gonna stick in the cucumbers for his little wings. Let's see, make sure you really squeeze them in there. And then we're gonna plop a tomato on for his head. And then I've even got this roll of turkey, which might be too big, this roll of turkey to slide in for his body. Wow guys, he looks adorable. And voila, a little family of bugs. Here we have an ant and a snail, a spider, a fly, and a beautiful butterfly. Let's give him a taste. One spider down the hatch. Delicious. Hey kiddos, thanks for joining me today in Miss Kellyn's Kitchen. Hope you had a fun time. I know I did.